Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Loveth, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own custom headband with any fabric of your choice while using a thread and a needle.
And trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go from my emotions.
So for this headband, I'm going to be using a 20 by 20 inches bandana, and I'm going to cut 3 pieces, with 2 pieces being the same and the third piece being different. So for the first 2 pieces, you want to measure 18.5 inches by 7 and cut that out.
Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way.
And for the second piece, you want to measure 11 inches by 3 inches and cut that out as well. And for our elastic, I'm going to be cutting 6 inches.
Look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff.
So now I'm done cutting our fabric, and as you guys can see, I have 2 big pieces and 1 small piece. So once you're done cutting the fabric, you want to fold each piece together like so, with the right side together, and secure them with pins.
From my emotions, I'll go, running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times.
Since I'll be sewing the pieces with my hands instead of using a sewing machine, I decided to draw a straight line below the pins, just to ensure that I get a straight line while sewing it down with my needle and thread. This entire process took about 45 minutes because I was filming, and it came out perfect. I know that headbands are very affordable, but this comes in handy when you want to wear matching headbands with your outfit.
From my emotions, I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. And trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go.
Once you're done sewing the 3 pieces together, flip them inside out like so and iron them. Also make sure that the seam is in the center of each piece before you iron them down.
Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like.
So as you guys can see, I'm done ironing, and this is what they look like. So for our 2 big pieces, you want to fold the hem about 1 cm inwards, iron them, and keep them aside.
Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. And trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta
So now it's time to put my 6 inches elastic band inside our small piece. Normally I would use a pin to insert my elastic band, but guys, on this day I couldn't find any, so I had to use my needle and thread. I'm just going to go ahead and put my 6 inches elastic inside our small piece, secure the ends with our pins like so, and sew both the elastic and the fabric together.
I look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me in the night.
So now that we're done prepping all the pieces, let's just put them together. So starting with one of the big pieces, fold it in half with the same inside like so, and place the elastic piece in between. Once you've done that, fold the edge of the big piece together at the center and sew them together. Guys, at this point it is best to use a thread that's the same color as your fabric. However, I didn't have any red thread at home, so I just used what I had for the purpose of this tutorial, and it was perfect. So now that I'm done securing an elastic piece to our first piece, I'm just going to go ahead and pass our second big piece through the center of the first one like so. Place the other end of the elastic piece in the middle. Fold the edges together like we did with the first piece and sew them together. And once you're done, guys, here's your very own handmade headband. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. We are almost at 200,000 subscribers and I'm super excited. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you are, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Also feel free to share this tutorial with your friends and your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.
And trying to remain so strong, I